Hey everyone, Chris Lambert here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This one is not a Wednesday video, although it may have an item from Wednesday. And I wanted to show you this item that I've purchased before. Let's see if this is it. So there it is. Let's open this up. I only have a few minutes today. This knife wants to cut into the box. Purchased these before. Sun's out, blinding me here. What we have here is a dozen keychain flashlights for only around $2 each. About $25 for this lot. You can buy these on Amazon. You get all different colors. And you get purple, you get pink, light blue, you get orange. Can't see if I'm even showing this in the camera. You get a fluorescent green, bright green, brown. You get black, gray, I guess, and a silver. Get a dark blue, darker blue, and I think it's red, and you get yellow. So let's take a look at those. You know, all those flashlights, they're not very bright, but if you watch my opossum video where I film the opossum from my yard eating cat food, I used one of these flashlights. What I like about these, I thought they were kind of thick compared to I used to buy these really thin ones at Walmart, but they quit selling them. They sell them online. Oh, cat's trying to jump up here. What I like about these, you just twist these, they turn on. They're not too bright, but you see what you're doing. You twist the other end, and you get your USB plug here. You can plug this into a phone charger or your laptop or your desktop, your tower computer, and charge it. Now the light never goes off. I think it has a red light, so you don't know when it's charged, but you know it's got a key ring, which doesn't always hold up that great, but you can buy other little keyring type things in bulk on Amazon. So it's called a mini torch, and I like these. Bought a lot of these, passed a lot of these out. You can throw it on your bug out bag. I clip one onto my belt loop. It's always there. I don't even have to take it off. I just turn it on if I need to see something, and yeah, work out good. So that's my first item. Now my second item, I received this in the mail yesterday. You know, it's like, wow, what did I buy that's so light? What's in here? Did I buy a piece of paper? What did I buy? You can see, look, it's not opened anywhere. No holes in it anywhere. Dirt marker, I think. It's just, it's all sealed up. What did I get? I looked it up and found out, oh, that's what it is. It's a flat item made out of wire. Maybe it's in here. So I went to work and I come back. Now I'm opening it for the first time. There you go. Nothing. I made a video where I rolled it up. Nothing in there. So I called Amazon, explained what happened. And somehow this, it's a bottle holder. The type that called a fish spreader, and you, when I get it, I'll show it to you. You hook it inside your bottle, so you can hang it, you know, over a campfire or a fire, and you can boil water, and that's what it's for. So I'm supposed to receive that tomorrow, and running out of time here, so let's hope they'll last. I bought a lot of these to pass out to everybody who dresses up for my Halloween costume contest this year, which is Wednesday, so in a way it is Wednesday related. And I've got different versions, different colors. So what we have, hopefully this one, oh, I got another one that stands up. Not all these stand up. This one stands up, which is really nice. And I still don't remember what company is that makes the one that actually stands up. So that's Thing from the Netflix TV series Wednesday. So, and they run you around $20, I think, with shipping and all that. Sometimes you find them Prime now, sometimes not. So there we go. I've got more videos coming up. I got more Wednesday Halloween costume contest for 2023 coming up, where about a dozen of us or more are dressing up, and I'll show you those costumes as I unpack them. So thanks for watching. Trying to reach 10,000 subscribers here. I appreciate everybody that subscribes and watches. Leave a like or comment or share it if you know somebody who would like this type of thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Chris Lambert. Bye-bye.